friends, I finally had some time to work on my pages and just do some mixed media type things on there. So I spent a few hours yesterday just playing around. I'm not a mixed media artist yet. I love it. I don't have the stuff. I don't have any of the sprays or proper colors, no stencils, that kind of thing. I've made a couple of my own stencils. So I'm just kind of getting into this. So I'm happy with the results. I know there's media artists out there that can do much better projects than this, but I'm happy with the way they turned out based on, you know, I don't have the stuff and I really don't have much experience with this. So I thought I'd just do a quick flip through and show you what I've come up with. And I think with interspersing these with some of the journal pages, I think it'll turn out really good. So here's one of the pages. I did basically kind of a formula. I did some pages had a bit of collage. This one I didn't because I already have stuff on there. Like this one, for instance, I put a bit of collage, and then I put some gesso on top, scraped some gesso, and then I did a clear gesso over everything. Then I did some watercoloring, and then I did a little bit more white gesso through one of my stencil type things that I have, and then I dried that again, and I did some stamping with my script stamp, and I think that's pretty much it. I may have added a little bit of, I'd splattered a couple of, so it took a bit of time, but I'm happy with the results. So there's that one, there's that one. This is the first one I just showed you. Here's this one. Got a little funny runs over there, but that one flips down. It's a little stiff right now. This one. Some of them, because I had already put a few of the pockets on, I didn't do it probably how it should have been done. Here's one of the ledger pages. I'm happy with how this turned out. I think this is one of the first ones I made. See, my stenciling, I didn't have a great stencil, so it kind of bled through, so I don't really have a good definition on there. But there's the back of that ledger page. Here's one of the music pages, hymnal pages, and the other side. Here's another one. Did a bit of collage on this side. And this side is one of the journal pages that just kind of accidentally got a few things on it, which I like. Here's one of the other pages. Here's the other side. I tried to keep it with the teals and greens to match. This one I didn't do that much on this side because everything was on here. I did a little bit of just scraping and coloring on the paint strips here just to kind of blend those in a little bit. Here's another page. This one I did the whole treatment with the collage and everything on that side. This one I did as well. This was a ledger page. I think I'm probably happiest with this one. And I kind of did it in this orientation. I'm not sure if I'm just going to kind of fold this up like a pocket. And here's the other side. So I'm happy with how that turned out. Here's another one. Again, I already had the pocket there, so I had to work around that. I could have started, I kept thinking, you know, I'm just going to trash all of this and start over, but I thought, you know, this is a junk journal and this is how we learn. We, you know, do it one step at a time, and I'm happy that I just kept the papers. There's a pocket there that I had, and made them work. And the next time I'll remember other things. So here's the back of that one. I had a Bible with images in it, so I used those in a few places. I thought that was kind of cool. And Here's my yellow envelope. It's yellow on that side, but I colored it on this side. I like it better toned down like that. And here's the yellow envelope again. I had some stamping in the background of some of these before. And here's one I did with a homemade stencil that I had. Didn't do much to that side. And then this is my 3 pockets here. And just a little bit. So a lot of these things will be covered up with the different embellishments and stuff. So I'm happy with how they turned out so far. And I guess I just wanted to show you a quick little flip through, and I really learned a lot about mixed media at this point, and I hope to do more of it. I really enjoyed that, so we'll see you in the next video.